Hi there, and what I'd like to talk to you about today is a new feature that is available on Zoom with regards to sharing presentations, which I think is really funky and very, very cool. So I want to share that with you, just something different and something a little bit of fun. So if we go to the share screen button here at the bottom, what we've got now is PowerPoint as a virtual background. So I'm going to give this a little click. And what it will ask once you hit the share button is for you to use a PowerPoint presentation. I've got one prepared over here, just a short one, test one, and then you open that up. Okay, so it's preparing its PowerPoint at the moment. It'll load in and we will see it hopefully pop up in a second. Okay, and here it is. You can see I've prepared 4 slides. And here's me in the bottom, and the the virtual background is now my PowerPoint presentation. So I think if I grab it, I can move me all over the place. Look at that. Go over here, go over there, go up here. Now, I've actually created these slides with a little bit of space on the side. So if I come up here like this, there we go. So I'm a little bit bigger. I can make myself bigger still. Awesome. So I've got now my PowerPoint slides in the background, and there's me projected onto my PowerPoint slides, which I think is really cool. And then we just advance through the slides using these little arrows at the bottom. So I click on that. There's number 2, number 3, number 4. And all I've done is I've created these slides actually for a training video that I created. So there's a space already on them. So if you're going to use this, all you need to do is to create slides, figure out where you want yourself to be on the screen, whether it's on the left side, on the right side. Hey, you can be anywhere you like. You can be in the middle. Go on, we can put ourselves anywhere we like. Hello. Figure out where you're going to put yourself on the screen, and then make sure you've created slides that provide that space. So I'm going to pop it here. It's going to be very irritating because there's a slight lag between what I'm saying and the video. So I'm going to be slightly unsynced. But you can see here, this is so much fun. And a very interesting way of doing it, rather than just boringly, go into your share screen and looking up. But the one disadvantage we have here is currently you don't have the ability to pop up the presenter notes. Which is something you want. I don't think you can anyway. No, you can't put the presenter notes out. So this is going to have to be a slideshow that you know very well, or have your notes kind of for your slides separate to it. So, you can share your PowerPoint, but you can't actually have your PowerPoint presenter notes up. But it's just a nice, interesting new way of presenting slides, potentially also doing training videos or tutorials or whatever you might want to do. So have something a little bit more interesting going on in the background. But it's there as a beta test. I think it works very well. There's things that I would love to be able to have my presenter notes up. That would be fantastic. But here we are. This is how to share your PowerPoint slides as a background on Zoom. I'll show you quickly how to do it again. So I'm going to stop sharing. You do. Let's go to share screen. It'll start on basic, which is your normal one. If you go to advanced, click on share PowerPoint as a virtual background, hit the share button, select your PowerPoint, open it up, and to begin with, it might take a few moments to load in. This one won't instantaneous. The last time when I did this first, I had about a 15-20 second delay whilst it was kind of finding the slides and sorting it out. So, that's something to bear in mind when you set this up. But here we go. I've got my PowerPoint slides as a background. I can wiggle myself all over the screen just by picking it up, make myself really tiny. There we go. Look, hello. Woo. Or make myself absolutely humongous. Make me. Yeah, take up the entirety of the screen. So, it's just an option. It's there. Play around with it. If you like it, use it. If you don't. But I think it's quite funky. I think it's cool. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful and informative. If you've liked it, give it a like or even a bit of a love if you're watching it on LinkedIn. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to the channel for other content that I put out on a regular basis about things such as this. Have a great day. Stay well, keep safe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.